Hi, third graders, and welcome to lesson 5 for module 2. If you don't know what we need by now, you must be new, but you need your learn book, you need your whiteboard and your whiteboard marker. If you don't have them, you must be new. Pause the video and go get them. All right, we're going to start with some skip counting. Just look at my notes. Okay, we're going to count by sevens and we're going to stop at 56 and then we're going to count down, which is always so hard for me. All right, let's do it. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56. We're at 56, 49, 42, 35, 28, 21, 14, 7. Good. Let's do counting by eights up to 64 and then counting down. This is where I messed up last lesson. Okay, focus. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64. So we're at 64, 56, 48, 40. That's where I messed up last time. 32, 24, 16, 8, 0. Okay, let's try nines, which again for us is a little bit easier because we practice counting backwards by 9 in our song. Okay, 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72. So we're at 72, 63, 54, 45, 36, 27, 18, 9. Very good. Okay, now we're going to do some minute counting. We're going to count by 5, but when we hit 15, we're going to say quarter hour. When we get to 30, we're going to say half hour. 45, we're going to say quarter hour. And 60, we're going to say an hour. Okay, we're going to try it 2 times. Ready? 5, 10, quarter hour, which is 50. 20, 25, half hour, which is 30. 35, 40, quarter hour, that's 45. 50, 55, 1 hour. All right, let's try that one again. I'm not going to do the creepy whispering part again. Okay. 5, 10, quarter hour, 20, 25, half hour, 35, 40, quarter hour, 50, 55, 1 hour. How did you do? We'll keep practicing if it didn't go great, but I thought it went pretty well. All right, go ahead and grab your whiteboard. We're going to practice telling some time. I'm going to show you an analog clock, and I would like you to write the digital time on your whiteboard. Okay, take a look. Okay, if you need more time, you can always pause the video. The shorthand is between the 5 and the 6, so the hour must be 5, colon. The longhand, we have to switch our mindset. We count by 5, 5. You can't go to 10. It's not there yet. So we're at 5, this is 6, 7. So the way we write 7 minutes after 5 or 5:07 is we would say it's 5:07 or 5:07. Let's try another one. This one's very tricky. So take your time, really look closely. That red hand is a second hand. I want you just to ignore that. Okay, if you need more time, pause the video. The shorthand is here. I know it looks like it's on the 12, but it's not to the 12 yet. It's almost there. It's about 6 minutes away from being 12 o'clock, but it's not there yet. The hour is still 11. Then the big hand, the tall hand, the long hand is the medium hand. Count by 5s, then we count by 1. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. So this time is 11:54. For my smart math students out there, you know who you are. If counting by 5 takes too long, just remember that 6 is 30. We know that this is 30, so you can start counting by 5s here. We're at 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. As you keep working with the clock, you're going to know this is 45. You're going to know this is 50, so you can just count on from there. Okay, we are going to jump into our application problem. Our application problem is on page 167 of our Learn book, of course. Page 167. If you need time to open that up, just go ahead and pause the video, or you can open it up while I read it to you. Carlos gets to class at 9:08 a.m. He has to write down homework assignments and complete morning work before math begins at 9:30 a.m. How many minutes does Carlos have to complete his tasks before math begins? Take a minute, pause the video, and I want you to try to figure that out. Use whatever strategy you would like. Draw a number line, add and subtract, whatever you need to do to figure this out. Okay, I'm going to show you both strategies for this. Maybe you drew out a number line. We start at 9 o'clock, and we can make this end at 9:30 since that's our end time. I'm going to draw the 5-minute intervals. So in the middle will be 9:15. We've got 9:05, 9:10, 9:20, and 9:25. And we need our 4s in between. Okay, so he starts at 9:08. This is 9:05, 6, 7, 8. This is when he starts. So I'm going to jump from this 9:08 to 9:10, my biggest first line, and that's plus 2 minutes. Then I'm going to jump to the 5s. So we've got 5, 10, 15, and then I'm jumping to my end time 9:30. So that was adding 20. So I've got 20 plus the 2 minutes I did before. So it takes Carlos 22, let me see that, yeah, 22 minutes. You also could have used the subtraction strategy of we've got 30 minutes, taking away the 8 minutes that were already in the hour. You cannot take 8 from 0, so you might need to go next door to get 10 more. So 30 becomes 20, and the 0 becomes 10. 10 take away 8 is 2, and 20 take away nothing is 20. So 22 minutes. Either way, or maybe you did another strategy, as long as you got 22 minutes, you're good. Okay, so if you need to pause so you can get that copied down, pause now. All right, and let's write our complete sentence. So the question was, how many minutes does Carlos have to complete his task before math begins? Carlos has 22 minutes to complete his tasks. Period. I know this because, and then I want you to write about your strategy. Did you draw the number line? I know this because I drew a number line to help me jump from 9:08 to 9:30. Or did you use the subtraction or the adding on? Did you count up from 9:08 to 9:30? What strategy did you use to get 22 minutes? And you're going to explain that there. Okay. All right. Great job today. I will see you in the next one.